Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I thought I would just do a little afternoon in the life at the yard vlog, as today I did spend quite a while at the yard. So yeah, let's just get another video out. Of course, have to start the afternoon with bugging Mr. Armani, but he loves attention, so it's okay. And give him a little boop with the camera, and then going and saying hi to Tinta, and then on to my first little job of the day. I had to go fetch one of the trainer's horses for her as she had a lesson and she wasn't able to go fetch him, so she asked me if I could go, and of course, me being helpful, I always say yes. So I went to go fetch him for her, and he is just the sweetest boy ever. Oh, I love this horse so much. And then on to picking up pony number 2. So I had to go fetch Miss Sune for my trainer as she was going on a hack, but she was helping one of the students tack up, so I said, oh, I'll just go get her for you, and then made my way back up the hill to go see little Bambi and say hi to her, and just, oh, she's just so cute. Then it's time to go get Rieta in. It's about an hour before our ride now, but I like to feed her and just give her lots of love in a nice room before our rides, just bond, spend some time with her, just build up that positive connection to me. And here's Miss Piggy loving her food. Oh, she would trade absolutely everything for food. She'd give me up for food, I have no doubt. And then it's time to tack up. I'm wearing a new saddle pad today, just to, try it out, see how it looks, and I think it looks pretty good on her. And then we're off for our hack, so I think I'll just play some music and just let you enjoy the scenery. So we all done with the hack now. It was actually really pretty. Even though we did get rained on, that was still fun. And yeah, she was just such a good girl. And of course, she had to have the biggest itch after I untacked her, or was untacking her. So yeah, I just thought I'd leave that little clip in. And of course, can't be a video without having Rhea smile. So she's being very fussy with the smiles lately, and she'll only do it if I really stick my finger in her face. So yeah, of course she got a little carrot for smiling. And then Rhea's favorite treat is actually cucumber. So every now and then I always cut a little bit of cucumber and bring it to her, and she absolutely loves it. She also went through a stage of liking pineapple, but doesn't seem to hit anymore. So just taking her back now. She's got her blankie on because it's actually really cold here in Cape Town. And then I got rejected by Miss Miracle. And speaking of Miss Miracle, I'm going to hand over to someone extra special.
Hello Love's vlog. It's Hannah Takeover. Okay, so me and my friend are busy walking to our lockers because someone forgot her lunch.
Boy, stop blaming me.
Sorry. But we've had I've had art and Afrikaans already, and we're gonna have history and something else after break. So hello Love's vlog. Okay, we had history and computer science. That is just mentally draining. And we're in break again. We're sitting in the French class, and we have French and other subjects. And then we have horse riding, which I'll be on Liv's vlog in horse riding. Bye! Liv's vlog. Lessons were cancelled. But it's okay. We're gonna study Afrikaans because I have Afrikaans test tomorrow. And watch movies. I'm in my pajamas now. Okay.
So now it's time to let the ponies out of their feeding camps and into the fields for the night. So like I explained in the last video, the horses get this field that I'm showing now during the day, and then they get fed in their feeding camps, breakfast and dinner, and then at night we open the gate and they're allowed to roam through the other big field, and of course still have this field just throughout the night so they can have some extra space and have some fun. But now it's time to take Miss Sune back just to help out, you know, she had to be taken back and I was free. And then I spotted Miss Bambi and Mr. Picasso having a little bonding moment. Oh, they're such cutie pies. And then Picasso of course spotted the camera, was like, hey, look at me, I'm all handsome. And then that's the end of the day. So heading home now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want something similar in the future, let me know. But other than that, bye!